Rack Solutions Tablet Enclosure Mount is perfect for mounting an iPad or Dell Venue 11. This product can mount to a desktop, wall, or stand. The user-friendly design of the mount allows you to pivot your tablet in any direction to show the screen from various viewpoints. This one-of-a-kind mount was custom designed to encase your tablet with heavy-duty steel. For increased device security, each mount comes with specialized mounting hardware, including screws and a security bit to ensure your device is protected against theft. All necessary installation hardware is included with your purchase. The Rack Solutions Tablet Enclosure Mount comes in 2 size options and is compatible with iPad generations 2, 3, and 4, as well as the Dell Venue 11. This product is perfect for small businesses or classroom environments and is well suited for tablets using digital signage, point of sale, kiosk, and other software.